Hey, what is going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're going to be working in Lutz, Florida. We're here for a house washing, patio cleaning, and it's Halloween. So I'm in the Halloween spirit. So, you know, every year I do something different. So this is this year's outfit. You know, got the whole thing going on today. And, you know, we're going to have some fun. If you guys haven't yet and you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you got questions, just ask. I'm gonna start probably doing the house first. It's a small patio. I may go ahead and do it while I'm back there, and then rinse everything down. We're gonna use a downstream mix today to wash everything. I don't see too much algae on the house. The window sills are kind of dirty, but besides that, you know, it's not really that bad. So I got Pinky with me today. And you know, we're gonna get this job started. Let's go. So this is the front of the house here. This is a new customer. It's not too much up here. Like I said, the window sills are kind of dirty. They don't want the driveway done. Hopefully soon I can come back and do the driveway. They just had the addition pool deck put in the back a couple years ago. I didn't see that online. They would have got some rust right there. That's not gonna come off with the solution. It's gonna be a different mix. I might go ahead and do that for them as a courtesy for a 5-star review. You can see here a lot of dirt build up right here, cobwebs and stuff. Get that cleaned up. This is the patio back here we're gonna do. I'm gonna hit that with the surface cleaner. It shouldn't be that hard at all. I'm starting right now at almost 9 o'clock in the morning. I would say this whole thing may take about an hour and 15 minutes tops. This is the addition they added. They got all the stuff out for me. Maybe when I come back next time I can do the driveway and then this part here. All right, so we're gonna get started, y'all, so y'all can see the whole outfit and have a good laugh. We're gonna do the house in 2 sections. I'm gonna wash this wall here, wash this wall. The gate back there don't open, so I'm gonna go up to that gate. I'm gonna also hit inside of there with a pre-treatment, and I'm gonna surface cleaning. I'm gonna use the 19 since I'm using the 8 to wash the house. Now they want to switch machines back and forth and stuff like that, so I'm gonna use that and rinse everything. It's cool right now. The sun is rising from this side of the house, so the SH is not gonna really dry that fast on this side, so I'll be able to get away with it. Alright, y'all, we just got in here sprayed up. Gonna let it dwell. I can start rinsing the outside walls, or I can start surface cleaning right now. The sun is rising on this side, so we don't want the SH to sit on here too long. This side has been dwelling for about 3 minutes. I normally give it about 5 to 7 minutes is ready to go. So it's almost good. And then We'll knock out everything back here all at once, and then I'll move up to the front. Y'all, we just got done washing this wall here, back wall, and pretty much the whole wall on the other side. We're gonna hit this rust stain here with some pink power. I diluted it 50-50, so you know, it should start working pretty quick because that stuff is pretty strong. You can see here it's already coming out right here. I put it in the spray bottle because my SH pump up spray got SH in it, so that's why we're using the spray bottle. I know somebody's gonna say, well, put it in the pump up spray, it's faster. Duh. It's like basic information. You can see the rust is already going away here. Yeah, it's like magic. You gonna have enough? Yeah, you should have enough. I didn't make that much because I didn't want to waste it or leave it in that bottle.
Pump up spray. Doing that.
Slowly out, all the way out. Yeah, hit the window frame and all. I don't know how they got that rust over here. I don't see no sprinkler over here. Yes, sir. Look at that. All gone. Go ahead and rinse this up. That whole little area right there, you see it? Yeah. All right. So it's time to do the last two sides of the house. The sun is in the front, so you gotta be mindful not to let the mix sit on here too long. Sorry about the sun behind us. All right, y'all, we all wrapped up here with the project. Everything came out great. Let's check it out. So we're gonna start here with the garage. Got that clean. We had some mud daubers on here. We had to use some degreaser to remove. But you can see here, everything is good to go. Let's check out the side. With that rust, they had that rust on there. No more rust. Window sills cleaned up. These ones were pretty bad. And of course, we did the patio in here. Washed that up. Also the floor pavers got done. And this is the other side. They need a gutter cleaner. I can see all types of leaves up there. Maybe they got gutter guards. All right, you guys. Well, thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you were entertained. If you learned anything new, make sure you subscribe. If you got questions, just ask. And y'all have a good Halloween. See y'all in the next one. Peace.